Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic of how accurate the information Equifax reports is. Equifax, along with Experian and TransUnion, is one of the three major consumer credit reporting agencies. Its primary function is to collect and maintain consumer credit information and sell it as credit reports to creditors, lenders, and other authorized businesses. The accuracy of the information Equifax reports is critically important because it directly impacts your credit score, which, in turn, influences your ability to get loans, credit cards, mortgages, and even affects things like insurance rates or rental applications. While Equifax and other bureaus aim for complete accuracy, errors are common. Studies have shown that a significant percentage of consumer credit reports contain some type of error. These errors can range from minor mistakes like an incorrect address to serious issues that can significantly lower your credit score and cause you to be denied credit or pay higher interest rates. Common inaccuracies found on credit reports, including those from Equifax, fall into several categories. First, personal information errors. This could include a misspelled name, wrong address, or an outdated employer. While often minor, these can still complicate identity verification. Second, account status errors. These are more serious. Examples include accounts that are incorrectly reported as late or delinquent when you paid on time, a closed account listed as still open, or a debt belonging to someone else. A common issue if you have a common name or are a victim of identity theft. Sometimes, the same debt might even be listed multiple times. Third, balance errors. An incorrect current balance or credit limit can impact your credit utilization ratio, a key factor in your credit score. Equifax collects information from creditors, lenders, and public records. Errors occur when these sources report incorrect data, when data is entered incorrectly, or sometimes due to technical glitches at the credit bureau itself. The key takeaway is that you should never assume your Equifax report is perfect. Federal law, specifically the Fair Credit Reporting Act, gives you the right to an accurate report and allows you to dispute any errors you find. Regularly checking your credit reports from all three bureaus, which you can do for free, is the most important step to ensure accuracy and protect your financial health. If you find an inaccuracy on your Equifax report, you must file a dispute directly with Equifax. By law, they must investigate the dispute, usually within 30 days, unless the dispute is deemed frivolous. If they find the information is indeed inaccurate or incomplete, they must correct or remove it. In summary, Equifax reports information provided to them, and while they have procedures in place, errors are frequent. Proactive monitoring and timely dispute of errors are essential parts of managing your financial life. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.